freeze till your focus drops. Rage on tap, panic stop while the deal gets signed off. Camera watch, they sell distraction by the pound. Keep you beefing, keep you warm. If you're heading left or right, you're not looking up or down. Same suits, new debate, same theft, different face. They don't need time, they need time. They don't need lies, just noise to waste. Static flows the bloodstream fast, so you can track the money path. By the time the echo fades, another future's in the past. Fuck the noise. Outrage cycles, dopamine traps, weaponized takes, sponsored facts. They farm your nerves and sell you calm. At a premium, you can't relax. They don't censor shit, they smother it under takes that don't matter. Turn pain into content, turn truth into chatter. Red versus blue, scripted fights, same gunners cashing checks at night. If the crowd's loud and split in half, nobody hears the lock it tight. They want you loud, not organized, opinionated but blind. If you're busy losing your mind, you're not building a spine. Silence scares them, pause kills sales. Quiet's where the math lines up and the bullshit fails. Oh, I'm done reacting on command. I'm playing part, say it bland. I'm mistaking urgency for something that deserves my hands. They scream now, now, now for a reason. So you don't ask who benefits, so you don't connect the seasons or read the fine print in the fist. When the feed goes dead, truth breathes when the sound cuts. How you see they can't run the corner quiet. They need the noise to